Good morning, everyone. In this episode, we are going to discuss few more problems on determinant. 3 problems we are going to discuss in this episode. 3 problems are entirely different. We are going to discuss in this session. In order to better understand this episode, I suggest to visit a previous episode of the link I have given in the description. If anyone did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you. Let us move on to this episode. First question, if capital A is equal to 2 minus 3 5, 3 2 minus 4, 1 1 minus 2, find A inverse. Using A inverse, solve the system of linear equations. 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 11, 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5, x plus y minus 2z is equal to minus 3. First we have the given matrix is of order 3 by 3 matrix. So we have to find A inverse. So to find A inverse, we have to check whether the given matrix is singular or non-singular matrix. If it is singular matrix, condition is determinant A is equal to 0. If it is a non-singular matrix, determinant A is not equal to 0. To find A inverse, the matrix has to be a non-singular matrix. So we have to check whether the given matrix is non-singular or not. So determinant A is equal to determinant 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2. Yes or no? 3 by 3 matrix. How to find determinant? Expanding with respect to first row, alternating plus minus. So plus minus plus. So 2 into determinant 2 into minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, minus into minus will become plus. So minus 4 plus 4. Minus into minus is plus 3 into plus 3 into minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 1 into minus 4 which will become plus. Now next plus 5 into 1 into 3 minus 2. So that is 2 into minus 4 plus 4, this term will become 0, plus 3 into 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 5 into 1, that is nothing but 5. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 5. So 5 minus 6 which is nothing but minus 1 which is not equal to 0. That is determinant A is not equal to 0. A inverse exists. We can tell that since determinant A is not equal to 0, A inverse exists. To find A inverse, we have to find minor and the cofactor. Right? Find minor and cofactor. Just go through this. These are all the minus. M11 0, M12 minus 2, M13 1, M21 1, M22 minus 9, M23 5, M312, M32 minus 23, M33 30. Just go through this. Cross check whether it is correct or not. Now, if M11 is 0, what about C11? Cofactor matrix 0 because 1 plus 1 is 0. No meaning. Okay, fine. C11 is 0. Z12. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. If it is odd, I have to multiply with the minus. So it will become 2. Now C13. 3 plus 1 4. Even number. So whatever it is minor will be same as the cofactor. So that is 1. Now C21. What is C21? 2 plus 1 is 3. Odd, I have to multiply with the minus, that is minus 1. Now C22 will be same as minor which is nothing but minus 9. C23 which is odd, I have to multiply with the minus which is nothing but minus 5. This is also 5. Now C31. What is C31? C31 3 plus 1 is 4 which is an even number will be same as the minor that is nothing but 2. Now C32. C32 is what? 3 plus 2 is 5 which is odd number, I have to multiply with the minus. So it will become 23, positive 23. Now M33, it is an even number so that I have to write as it is, that is C33 is 30. Now what is adjoint A? Adjoint A is nothing but cofactor matrix or a transpose of cofactor matrix. What is cofactor matrix over here? C11 0, C12 2, C13 is 1, C21 is minus 1, C22 is minus 9, C23 minus 5, C31 2, C32 23, C33 30. is a transpose. That is nothing but 0, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23, 30. This is nothing but adjoint A. This is nothing but adjoint A. Okay. So to find A inverse, what is the answer? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. What is the determinant A value? Determinant A value is minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 is something but minus 1 into adjoint A. 0, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 9, 23, 1, minus 5, 30. This is something but minus 1. This is scalar multiplication, right? So I have to multiply with minus 1 with all the elements in the matrix. I have to multiply with this minus 1 the entire elements in the matrix. So that is 0, minus into minus positive 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, positive 9, minus 23, minus 1, positive 5, then minus 30. Is it clear? This is nothing but A inverse. This is nothing but A inverse. Is it clear? Just go through this. See, if A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix, we have to find out A inverse. We have found out. Now, using A inverse, we have to solve a system of equations. That is the next part. Check. Go through this A inverse. Is it clear? So this is A inverse 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 5, minus 30. Using this A inverse, we have to solve the system of equations. System of equations we have all are the linear equations having three unknown variables, which is x, y, z. The system of linear equations can be written as, I have told you that Ax is equal to b, where x is equal to A inverse b. So no, the system of equations can be written as Ax is equal to b, where A is equal to coefficient of x matrix, coefficient of unknown variable, x is equal to unknown variables x, y, z, and b is equal to right hand side of the equation. So using this A inverse, I have to find this, or I have to solve the system of equations. First understand the question. We have found out A inverse. Using this A inverse, I have to solve the system of equations. So from the system of equations, I can write the general format is Ax is equal to b. What is x is equal to? If that side will go means A inverse 1 by A. Yes or no? 1 by A means something but see x is equal to 1 by A into b. This implies that what x is equal to A inverse b, no? So 1 by A is something but A inverse, right? So A inverse b. What is A inverse? Already we have find out. What is b? B we have, that is right hand side of that equation. So that is A inverse is 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 5, minus 30, minus 1, 5, minus 30 into, what is the value of b? 11, 5, 11, minus 5, minus 3, 11, minus 5, minus 3. So this is matrix multiplication or not? This is nothing but 3 by 3 matrix. This is nothing but 3 by 1 matrix. The resultant matrix will be in the order 3 by 1. That is x is equal to, that means x unknown variable is x, y, z is equal to 1, 2, 3. Just to check. That means the value of x is equal to 1, value of y is equal to 2, value of z is equal to 3. Just go through this. After multiplying, just multiply and see the value of x is equal to 1, value of y is equal to 2, value of z is equal to 3. Is it clear? This is the way you have to find out this is the way you have to solve the system of equations using A inverse. Is it clear? Using A inverse. It's a very important type of problem they can ask. Okay? Is it clear? Second question. Solve the equation 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equal to 4. 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equal to 1. 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equal to 2. We have to solve this system of equations. So far we have discussed the linear equations. This also linear equations. But here 1 by x format is there. 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z is format. Is that? So before starting this problem, before solving this problem, we are going to consider 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b, 1 by z is equal to c. Let us consider 1 by x is not only a, you can consider capital X, capital Y, capital Z also. So here I am, for my convenience, I am considering 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b, 1 by z is equal to c. Now the given equation becomes 2a plus 3b plus 10c is a 1 by x, that means a. So that means 2a plus 3b plus 10c. Yes or no? Is equal to 4. 4a minus 6b plus 5c is equal to 1. 6a plus 9b minus 20c is equal to 2. So after considering 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z is equal to a, b, c, the equation you have to reform it as in terms of a, b, c. That's what this one. Is it clear? Now you have a system of linear equations having three unknown variables which are x, y, z, that is 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z in terms of a, b, c. Again, you have a system of linear equations in terms of three unknown variables which are ABC. Which are ABC format. Is it clear? Now, Ax is equal to b. Now, the system of linear equations can be written as Ax is equal to b, where A is nothing but the coefficient of ABC over here. Coefficient of ABC, that is 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20, and the capital X is nothing but unknown variables, three unknown variables. Here we have considered 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b, 1 by z is equal to c, so that here capital X is equal to three unknown variables which are a, b, c. Is it clear? B is equal to right hand side of this equation, that is 4, 1, 2. That's what 4, 1, 2. Now we have to find A inverse. Now listen, determinant A we have to find out. Determinant A is nothing but expanding with respect to first row, alternative plus minus. So determinant A you will get 1200, which is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Is it clear? A inverse exists. Now to find A inverse, you have to find minor and the cofactor. So now find out the minor and cofactor, and adjoint of the given matrix capital A is nothing but cofactor matrix transpose. So after finding minor and cofactor, adjoint of the given matrix is 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 24 you will get. Just to try this problem, how to find adjoint and cofactor matrix. That means minor 1, M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. According to that, if it is even number, as such as minor will be same as the cofactor. If it is odd number, you have to multiply with the minus to the cofactor element. Is it clear? So this is nothing but the cofactor matrix. This is nothing but the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. So how to find A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Since the equation says Ax is equal to B, so A inverse you have. Yes or no? What is x is equal to? You have to find the value of x now. So capital X is equal to what? A inverse B. Yes or no? A inverse B. What is A inverse? This one. That is 1 by 1200 into this matrix. That is this adjoint of the matrix into what is B? B is 4, 1, 2. Yes or no? 4, 1, 2. So after minor and cofactor, what we have to find out? That is x is equal to A inverse B. Yes or no? X is equal to A inverse B. What is A inverse? 1 by 1200 into what is adjoint of the matrix? 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, 24 into 4, 1, 2. Is it clear? Just go through this adjoint. Is it clear? Now this x is equal to what is the value of x? A, B, C, unknown variables. That is A, B, C is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. After multiplying. After multiplying, this is scalar multiplication of this matrix. So first you multiply these two matrix. After multiplying, divided by 1200. Make it as each element you have to multiply with 1 by 1200. After multiplying these two matrix, you will get one this type of matrix, 3 by 3 cross 1 matrix. So each element you have to multiply with 1 by 1200. You will get 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. See, this implies that A is equal to 1 by 2. What is A over there? A is nothing but 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2 implies that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. This is the way you have to solve the system of linear equations in terms of 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z format. Is it clear? Let's go through this. Practice, then only you will get to know where you have, like where you made the mistake. Practice well. Minor and cofactor. Be careful while taking particular element for minor and cofactor. Is it clear? Go through this. Third question. Solve the system of equations which are in the form Ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b. Yes or no? So, we have to find the value of x. That means x is equal to A inverse b. Yes or no? X is equal to A inverse b. We have to solve. That means we have to find the unknown variables which is x and y. Right? So, x is equal to A inverse b. How to find A inverse? Determinant A should not be non-singular matrix. Determinant A should be a non-singular matrix. To find A inverse, first whether we have to check whether the given matrix is a non-singular or not. So that is determinant 2, 5, 3, 2. How to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? 2 2s are 4 minus 3 5s are 15. So answer is minus 11. So which is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Now to find A inverse, there is no minor and cofactor. For 2 by 2 matrix, how to find adjoint? I have told how to find adjoint. This diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements for 2 by 2 matrix, principal diagonal elements you have to interchange. Remaining elements you have to put minus. So if the matrix is of order 2 by 2 matrix, to find adjoint, principal diagonal elements you have to interchange and the remaining elements you have to put minus. So adjoint A is nothing but principal diagonal elements I have to interchange. Since here both are same, so that I am writing like this. So here I have interchanged. So here minus 5, minus 3. Yes or no? This is nothing but adjoint A. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A is nothing but minus 1. 1 by A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. What is adjoint A? 2 minus 5 minus 3 2. Yes or no? This is nothing but A inverse. How to find x? A inverse B. So therefore x is equal to 1 by minus, that is minus 1 by 11 into 2 minus 5 minus 3 2 into what is the value of B over here? 1 7. So first I have to multiply these two matrices, that is x is equal to minus 1 by 11. Listen here, 2 ones are 2 plus minus 5 into 7 minus 35. Yes or no? Now minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 7 14. Plus 2 into 7 14. Now x is equal to minus 1 by 11 into 35. 2 minus 35. 2 minus 35 minus 33. Divide 14 minus 3 minus 14 minus 3 11. So you will get x is equal to minus 33 by 11, that is 3 and minus 1. X is equal to 3 and minus 1. That means the value of x is equal to 3 and value of y is equal to minus 1. Is it clear? This implies that x value is equal to 3, y value is equal to minus 1. Value of x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1, which is a required value for x and y. This is the way you have to solve for the 2 by 2 matrix. So I am repeating how to find adjoint of the 2 by 2 matrix. Again repeat adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. If you have a 2 by 2 matrix, how to find adjoint? Principal diagonal elements you have to interchange, remaining elements you have to put minus. Principal diagonal elements, that means main diagonal elements I have to interchange, remaining elements I have to put minus. Is it clear? This is the way you have to find the adjoint of the 2 by 2 matrix. And if A inverse is clear, no, x is equal to 3 minus 2. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? So the next question, just to try for next question, that is 3 by 3 matrix. Try for 3 by 3 matrix. Try for 3 by 3 matrix. Question is 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2, x, y, z equal 4. X, Y, Z is equal to 8, 1. Try this. Try. Is it clear? So far, we have discussed in this episode 3 different types of problems. I suggest to practice the problem, then only you will get to know the idea of the determinant. So far we have completed 2 chapters in my channel, matrices and determinant. And if you have any doubt, please let me know through the comment box. And if anyone did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell button. We will see the next episode, next chapter, continuity and differentiability. Thank you.